Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Noveltoon cartoon reaction. This one is going to be Hiccup Hound from 1963. So, yeah, let's get into it.
We're the gremlins, powerful gremlins.
Ooh, okay.
We're the cause of all the troubles every place. And the only time we're glad is when things are going bad for the silly creatures of the human race.
The silly creatures of the human
The
race.
gremlins,
The gremlin.
gremlins.
Oh, wow.
No use for you to run away and hide.
Ooh.
Oh, it doesn't matter where, for you'll find when you get there that the gremlins are waiting right inside for you.
Wow. Oh, that's the gremlin. Goodie the Gremlin. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, his name is Goodie, so he must be a good gremlin. I don't know.
Look, Meanie, the hunting season opens today. Yeah, what a day
Ah,
for mischievous mayhem.
Oh, okay.
I overheard you two. You're going out to cause a lot of trouble.
Yeah.
You're going out to cause a lot of trouble.
Come on.
Goody,
Stop making fun
you're
of him.
nothing but a wet blanket.
A wet blanket.
Always trying to spoil our bad times. Come on now, Sam,
Always
let's
trying to
go.
spoil our bad times. Just stop it. A hunting movie will go.
Howdy-ho!
Hally ho. Stop him, Goodie.
Wait. Well, it looks like somebody's gonna need my help.
Yeah. I mean, right. Like the people that are gonna do bad stuff to, right? That's who needs your help, Goodie. All right. So, all right. So he's a cool gremlin. These are the two. These are the bad gremlins. Okay.
Look, Meanie, there's a likely victim.
Oh, who is it?
Season
Oh.
opens in an hour. Now I'm depending on you to hold
But the thing is, are they talking about the dog or the human? I guess we'll find out right now.
steady point.
I'll be as steady as the rocket Gibraltar, boss.
Well, if you're not,
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
right.
No.
that's some threat right there. If you, so he knows, like, and he was just so calm about it. Like, oh, I know, just he's gonna it's gonna be the end of your life, sir. The dog, right? For the dog, it's gonna be the end of his life. Wow, that's crazy. Wow. Okay. All right. So, like, Goodie, please save this dog. I mean, Goodie he could, save this dog's life, right? Because these two, it's not gonna be good.
How can we mess up that much? Did you ever see a pooch hold a point with hiccups? You mean
Oh.
Operation Feather? Precisely.
Ah, they could turn invisible. Wow.
Hold a steady point.
Okay. All right. That's good. That was good. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I feel bad for the dog. Oh, they give him the hiccups.
Wake up!
Oh no.
This is terrible. I can't hold a steady point.
Oh no. Those two gremlins are evil. Well, I mean, yeah, I guess that's a gremlin, right? The Goodie's just the exception, right? The gremlins typically they're bad, right? But all right, Goodie, come over here, Goodie. You gotta save this dog. Not right. He's gonna, that's not gonna be good.
Steady as the rock of Gibraltar. Wake up! Wake up!
Ah, no.
Wake up!
Poor dog.
Come on, let's find another victim.
Another victim. No.
Uh-oh. That looks like some of their mischief.
Yes, it is.
Wake up!
Come on, Goodie.
My, but you've got a real bad case of hiccups.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if these hiccups keep me from holding a steady point,
Wake up!
what'll happen to me shouldn't happen to a dog.
No, it shouldn't. It shouldn't. He's not wrong. It shouldn't happen to a dog, right?
Worry. I know a cure for hiccups.
What is that?
You do? Show me.
Isn't it
show me.
scaring you? No?
First, fill up your lungs with all the air you can hold.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, gotcha.
Okay. Okay, Goodie.
Now hold your breath till I count to 10. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4,
Oh.
5,
Oh.
7,
That's hard, though. It is hard to do. Oh, there you go. Good. He's flying in there. Ouch! It worked.
Hiccups are good.
No, they're not. Oh wow! I was about to say, well, I hope they are gone because he took a beating now. Like no, no, Goody. Do you have something else? I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Like Goody, because Goody was trying to help. That's the thing, but that didn't end well for the dog.
Oh, shucks.
I still got him.
Yeah, you still got him.
Got a sure cure. We'll
What
use
is that?
the ancient art of yoga. Now stand
Yoga?
on your head.
Like this?
Right. Now
Okay.
say, hiccups, hiccups, go away.
Is that gonna work?
Come some other day.
Okay.
Hiccups, hiccups.
It's like rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
Some other day.
Oh, no, the axe, no. Oh, Goody, do something. Oh, okay, Goody, they did that just in time. Wow, right, because if the owner wasn't gonna kill him, that axe sure was. Like, wow. Okay. He still has the hiccups, that's the thing.
Still got him.
Wow.
Hey, Meanie, have you spotted any more scapegoats we could victimize?
I hope not.
Sam, you sure are a glutton for punishment. Look, there's Goody with that hiccup and mutt.
Now this
Yeah.
remedy has never failed to cure the worst case of hiccups.
Okay, what is it? Flying?
Goody is trying to spoil our dirty work.
Now we're
He-
going
he-
into
he's trying to do a good
power
thing.
dive. Are you
A power dive.
Everything is A-okay.
No, it's not.
Where's the door?
Okay, I guess it is. Oh no! Right, I knew everything was not a-okay with these two around. Oh no, this is not good. Okay, we'll see what happens. Oh wow!
Now to put an end to your meddling once and for all.
Come on, leave Goody alone. Are they? I guess the hiccups are gone.
Good. My hiccups are gone.
Alright, that's good for you. I don't know how you survived that, but good for you. The hiccups are gone. No, you may have a concussion now, though. That's the thing.
From interfering with our fiendish fun. He
Wow.
won't bother us
They're gluing him. Wow.
I've gotten out of stickier situations than this before.
Alright, Goody.
Those troublemakers are at it again.
They're at it again. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, come on. They're troublemakers, all right. Like one of them is ticketing them, the other one is hitting them with a frying pan. Come on, just stop it. Poor dog.
Wow. I'm gonna cure 3 birds with 1 stone.
Okay, Goody, let's do it. Let's do it. Do something, Goody.
Boo! Boo!
Ah, he's gonna pretend to be a goat. Ah, there you go. Ah, and then right there you go. Then that should get rid of the hiccups, right? When you scare somebody. So there you go. All right, Goody.
It's you.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you know? You scared my hiccups
Yeah.
away.
Shout out to him.
Able to hold a steady point again.
All right,
East point. West point.
there you go.
West point. 4 point. 10 point.
What?
Get the point?
I get the point. Wait, I'm gonna go back.
I'll be able to hold a steady point again. East point.
East point,
West point.
West point,
To West point.
do his
4
point.
point. 10
Point.
point.
10
Get the
point. I get the point. Okay, Goody, you're so cute. All right. Right. That was a good one. I enjoyed it. That Goody, he may be the cutest gremlin I've seen for sure. He's a good guy, so that's good. So he really saved the day. He saved that dog's life. That's for sure. Because if he wasn't able to hold a point like that, it would have been the end of him, right? That wouldn't have been good. But Yeah, no, but this was great though. This was awesome. I did enjoy it a lot. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.